Good morning. Firefighter Roofing is in Arlington, Texas today, January 16th, 2019. Crew's hard at it, pulling the materials off the roof. One interesting little tidbit here is the fact that this amazing home with amazing homeowners, that all the valleys on this residence have no valley protection whatsoever. Whoever roofed this before didn't even have the audacity to put down valley metal. It was lined with black tar paper. Here in a little bit, after we've gotten everything cleared off, we'll have the ice and water shield that will go around all the valleys, all roof penetrations. But if any of you out there are watching this and you're gonna have your home redone, just make sure whoever you're using is gonna be putting ice and water shield inside the valleys. That's the only way that we do it here at Firefighter Roofing. It's the best way to do it. Preserve the integrity of your home, protect your property.